like or get shot. Hey, you did not like the video. These are the items I am going to use. Wow, you can see the sparks.